Okay, so I'm starting Halloween decorations early this year because I wanted to be a little bit crafty today. So I've gone shopping. Gone super crazy spotlight op shops mad and bought a heap of stuff to make Halloween decorations. So I bought these little plastic bugs from Kmart and this board and these ones from Spotlight. And I think I'm gonna make some kind of like fake taxidermy thing. Look, I would like to say that this idea is mine, but I took it off Pinterest. I'm really sorry. So let's get going. Okay, so this is still a little bit wet, but this is my idea. These are my beetles. I'm going to paint them gold because I've got a tin of gold spray paint and black and gold. Oh. I might try and group them together. It's an angry looking little beetle. There's some winged ones. Like I wonder, I can put maybe some winged ones together. Though the wings are a bit skewy. Oh, that didn't really help. Anyway, maybe just beetles and crawly things. I'll work it out. I'll see which ones paint up okay. This is the configuration that I'm happy with. I've kind of just gone with the buggy types and I've got ant. This one's a bit long. Spider, and then the winged ones. I feel like I'm going to do something separate with them. And this one I'm going to do something special with it. It's a praying mantis. My partner's 6'4" and he's all arms and legs. And the first present I bought him was a praying mantis in resin. It was kind of this is my representation of you. It was a bit of a joke that we had and it's cute. So I might put this one on its own little board, I think, to maybe put together, but I'll work it out. Okay, buggy's all ready to paint. I've got some gold spray paint, which I had in the shed from another project. All right, let's see how it goes. Ooh, I think it's gonna be good. Okay, one coat on. We'll let that dry. It tells me 10 minutes, but it looks really sunny. It's actually kind of overcast. It's like 6 o'clock at night, daylight savings, so we'll leave them for about 20. We'll see how they go. All right, bugs look great, dry, ready for a second coat. But I reckon I might flip them over and do the bottom first. All right, so you might ask why flip them over if I'm sticking them down. I just kind of want them from every angle to be gold, so I don't want to risk any of the plastic color showing through. So let these dry and see how they go. Probably just do one more coat on the top. All right, ready to go on the top of the bugs again. Last coat. And then once they're dry, I can stick them on. Okay, bugs are dry. Board is dry. Hot glue gun, so while that heats up, we'll place these out where I want to put them. All right, bugs are out where I want to go. Hot glue gun is ready. Let's stick them down. Here we go, finished bugs. It's so cute. I do still have to finish painting the edge, but ta-da! With my other buggies. Look, it's meant to be for Halloween, so it'll go somewhere while I'm decorating the house or the front of the house. There you go, project done.